In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your email address on LinkedIn. Whether you're looking to increase your privacy or just control who can reach out to you, knowing how to adjust your email visibility settings on LinkedIn is an essential skill. So let's dive in and walk through this process together. First, you'll need to head over to LinkedIn's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in linkedin.com. Once you're there, log into your LinkedIn account by entering your credentials. If you don't have your login details handy, make sure to get those sorted first to continue. It might also be a good idea to check if you're on a secure and private network, just to ensure your information stays protected. Once logged in, take a look at the top right corner of the page. You'll notice your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up a drop-down menu where you'll find various settings and options related to your account. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This option will take you to a new page specifically designed for managing everything related to your account's privacy and security. Now, on the left side of this new page, you'll see a list of categories. Click on Visibility. This section is critical because it allows you to control and fine-tune who can see various aspects of your profile. We're specifically interested in your email visibility today, so stay focused on this area. As you scroll down, you'll find an option labeled Who can see or download your email address. Click on that option. This reveals a few choices for how you would like your email address to be used. You can choose to have it visible to your connections, network, or to nobody at all. For those who prioritize privacy and want to keep their email address strictly confidential, select Only Visible to Me. By choosing this setting, you ensure that your email address won't be accessible or visible to anyone else on LinkedIn. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully hidden your email address, granting you greater control over who can contact you via email through LinkedIn. It's a simple yet effective way to maintain some privacy in your digital presence. Before we wrap up, remember that these steps can be revisited anytime, should you decide to alter these settings in the future. LinkedIn frequently updates its interface, so it's always a good practice to check for any new settings or features that can enhance your privacy. Thanks for tuning in, and hopefully this guide helps you manage your LinkedIn profile with more confidence and security. Feel free to share this video with anyone who might benefit from this information, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and guides in the future.